You're probably wondering how we got here. As an engineer, I believe every problem has a mechanical solution, even fine dining. People want fresh food? I'll give them food so fresh it's currently traveling at 80 knots. Grab your hard hats, we're building the world's first flying shark restaurant. But first, we need to build some infrastructure. This might take a minute. Hope you're all enjoying so far. Here's a quick progress report. The sharks are flying through the air, which is awesome to see, but they're not quite landing right where I want them, so I'm going to have to do some more tweaking, and let's get back into it. I really wasn't happy with how inconsistent the sharks were sliding down along the conveyor. Some would go really fast, some would go slow, and they were always twisting and falling off. So finally I decided I need a new solution. So here you can see I'm building up this like vertical and horizontal slider to help push the sharks along very consistently. So I'm just setting up the logic for that. And the idea was that it would go up and then go back down, push the sharks along, back up, over, and then repeat. So it'd be the cycle of pushing the sharks along. So you can see I'm just setting up the pistons and the sliders, and I'm making 2 rails, so it kind of will like cradle the shark. And you can see me giving it a first test here finally. And that looked a lot promising, so I decided to continue on with this idea. And anyways, get back to the time lapse. Enjoy. So here I was just testing the thing. As you can see, testing is going very, very great. when all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a literal tsunami comes. This engulfs my restaurant. Like the audacity of this tsunami to think it can just stop my restaurant building plans. You can see the sharks even escape. You can see one right down there. It escaped into the water. So anyways, I'm almost done here. I'm going to try to wrap up some finishing details, and I'll see you when the build's complete. Welcome to Cloudy with a Chance of Apex. This brand new innovative sushi restaurant will blow you away. We source our sharks sustainably, straight from the cloud, to reduce shipping times dramatically. With a simple click of a button, the process starts. From here, the sharks fall right in front of our customers, so they can see just how fresh their food really is. And yes, those sharks are technically fighting back. The conveyor brings the sharks along the dining room so everyone can get a clear view of their meal. What happens to the sharks that are not wanted? Not to worry. They go back up the stairs where they are launched over the roof. This high-velocity exit ensures the meat is impact tenderized, providing an exceptionally unique profile. Stop by for the meal of a lifetime. Now, from the customer's point of view, you might notice the lack of, well, walls, or any safety barrier for that matter. This was a conscious engineering choice to maximize sensory immersion. If you aren't at risk of blunt force trauma from a falling shark, are you even really dining? The slow conveyor belt allows our customers to really appreciate their meal before it's served. With a constant stream of new sharks, slight mishaps are bound to be expected. The sharks falling off of the conveyor bring a true sense of immersion to the whole dining experience. The flying sharks thoroughly tenderize the meat, ensuring each bite tastes straight from heaven. People ask, is it OSHA compliant? And to that, I say, OSHA doesn't have a specific category for sky sharks. Therefore, we are technically operating in a legal gray area of pure innovation. Enjoy the jazz. We've had a lot of questions about our bulk ordering system. It's currently in beta, but we think it really adds a sense of unprecedented scale to the dining room. Well, anyways, the restaurant is gone. The customers may or may not be flat, but the engineering was completely flawless. Anyways, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more goofy videos like this full of engineering and silly ideas, please subscribe and follow along for more. Have a great day.